Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to remove a grain and noise from your video using DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to Color tab and access the noise reduction settings. Next, right-click your video node and select Add Node, then click the Add Serial node before to create a separate noise reduction layer. Now, select the new node and open the Motion Effects panel. Here, adjust the frames to 5, set the quality to better, and change the motion range to medium for more optimal results. Now go to temporal noise reduction and increase the luma threshold to 50 to smooth out noise. Then under the spatial noise reduction, change the radius to medium. Now click the chain icon to unlink the luma and chroma, then set the luma to 75 and chroma to 100 for a clean and sharp result. And that's it. Your video is now clean and noise free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DaVinci tips. Thanks for watching.